Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is alright. As we showed previous video when we were opening the box.
The Jurassic Park monster truck one, it took us half an hour to build. My mum helped me.
And
And
who helped you?
Mum and Daddy.
And now Zaki Maan is going to show you how this works.
It goes really fast, so you won't be able to see it on camera.
And we're gonna try. Yeah, you can show how it works. Do it again.
It didn't quite work, so there's 1 minute. I'll do it again.
Yeah. So he is putting.
So, for example, this is how it works.
So here.
No, still the mark. It takes time and time, so it's not really going to work. We built it and it does work. I've done it before. When we built it, we didn't show you the bit where we tested. It works because we did testing and it didn't work. So, Sammy, get out. So, look. No, still the mark takes time, what I said. You have to take, it really takes time, so it might take a while for this video to end. That's what I was going to show you.
Yeah. Now when you press that,
it closes by the volcano bit. Because look, there's a speaker that plays the noise.
yeah.
And there's one feature I want to show you about it. So, Sammy's already taken the things out, so that's great. Not really. So,
It's alright. He's doing his own thing. Let him carry on. That's it.
And there. Now we've got to wait until Sammy
He removed everything.
Yeah. Okay, we'll just go on to the next feature.
That little monster is
just
too
go
much.
to the next feature. Reclip.
Alright.
We're going to have to skip that one because my brother's just destroying it.
Yeah.
I've already done about like 10 landing pads on this, and I've done crazy stunts with it.
Ooh.
Nearly. It took very time. It took a long time for me to even accomplish 11. Still no. Done it before. I hope I do it. Now Sammy isn't really there, so I'm just gonna skip that feature and go on to the one I was talking about.
Yeah.
So,
Zaki Maan, can you do that with the small car, so it will come out from the volcano?
just look at this.
Zaki Maan, can you do the small car? It will come from the volcano. So here is another feature. Yeah. Tell the viewers.
If one car goes in there and it goes in very hard, then the dinosaur will pop out, and when it lands hard on the volcano bit on the top, you can't really see it because of the tracks. There's one broken track, so some of the wheels, some of the monster trucks go in here.
Okay, so can you do that with the small car?
Yes. It doesn't really work, but I'll try. I'll get one of my favourite cars, the BTEX. And this one is for monster trucks. This one is for little cars.
Yeah. Which one is it for monster truck and which one is it for little one?
This one and that. This one's for little. This one's for big.
All right. There is another feature as well.
Look at it. But it don't really work with that. And you see here, come in. So basically, there's come a bit here. You can see another track. So the little one goes through there. The monster trucks go there.
Ah, okay.
So like there's a hidden passage.
All right.
So like if I did it like with
So finally we built this.
like and you haven't not forgot. Come in.
And
There's a new feature.
there is another
Look,
one.
There's a bell here. Come in. This bell here rings when how many scores you get from this. This thing moves so you can choose what feature you want, and the thing will bell because it connects to here to there. So and it tells you how many scores you get. Let's try it with a little car. If they go in there very hard, then it will work.
All right. So
for example, if I use the very little car, it wouldn't work. Look. Just place the little car there. Look. It just shoots.
oh no.
It just shoots right out, and
Yeah.
when under the bed, it does not work. So if you have one of these, do not use this.
All right.
Never use some very small parts.
So you are not supposed to be using a
Yeah.
tiny little
I
cars.
got a Batman Hot Wheels car from from Christmas, and I'm gonna test it out on this.
All right.
It might fall in, you never know. So just slot it in here, and then as you already know, I press this yellow button here
Hang on.
because you.
Yeah. There is a car, as you can see.
Yeah, look.
So now
like,
he's going to.
look, you press that down. And
Yeah,
then
and this is
press-
coming out.
And then you press this button here.
Yeah.
So you like,
So he's
that.
pressing down
and then.
putting his car there.
Oh, fell straight off.
Yeah.
You have to be careful because it might launch at your eye.
All
It
right.
goes very fast. Actually, when I used it earlier, I hurt my eye.
All right.
It went straight into my eye.
Finally, this Hot Wheel we built up, and
Yeah.
he's
And we have another one.
playing
over
with
here.
that almost all day. And we got here
This
Hot
one-
Wheel as well.
We can use the ones for this. It
Yeah.
won't work.
But this one is for, you know,
Yeah, big monster trucks.
yeah, that's for
Don't
big monster
place
trucks.
the thing there.
All right.
Okay, so there's a spring there, and there's gates to slow down these monster trucks. And as you can see, there's alligators hiding to devour them. Because there's monster trucks and they do. So face it, because they do devouring. So just look over here. This goes for this. Okay. Now we just do it. We only can do it with 2 monster trucks. Luckily I have 2. It came with a set. I've got one huge one. I got one huge one. I got one huge one over here and one little one here.
So he got 2 Hot Wheels
Yeah. So look.
monster trucks.
They're both gonna go down the same time. I don't really care if the gates are closed or not, but I'm just keeping them closed because the Hot Wheels designed that way.
So now the Hot Wheels are coming.
Oh no! One is around
That's
one,
it.
and then this one shoots out because if you see, there's a little spring, and when that happens, look, the spring pops up.
All right.
So you just push that down, and he got devoured because the gates close and the alligator devours them.
All right.
So If you like our video, like and subscribe. Comment down below.
Thank you. Cheers.
Bye. Have a good day.